Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones of 2026, whether you're a beginner, content creator, or aerial photography enthusiast, you're in the right place. Today I'll be covering 5 of the best drones based on camera quality, flight time, range, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Holystone HS360S GPS drone, under 249 grams. The Holystone HS360S is a lightweight FAA-friendly drone under 249 grams, making it ideal for beginners and casual users. It comes with a 4K UHD camera, GPS positioning, and a stylish gradient color design. This drone is very beginner-friendly, with stable GPS flight and smooth controls. The 10,000-foot video transmission is impressive for its size, and features like Follow Me and Auto Return to Home add safety and convenience. The brushless motors ensure quieter and more efficient flying. Pros: under 249 grams, no FAA registration needed. 4K UHD camera. Long 10,000-foot transmission range. GPS plus auto return and follow me. Great for beginners. Cons: no 3-axis gimbal. Camera stabilization is basic. A perfect entry-level GPS drone for beginners who want quality without complexity. Number 2. Bwine F7 GB2 Pro Drone. The Bwine F7 GB2 Pro is a powerful drone built for serious users, featuring a 4K UHD camera with a 3-axis gimbal and an incredible 75 minutes of total flight time with 3 batteries. This drone delivers excellent video stability thanks to its mechanical gimbal. The 10,000-foot control range, along with GPS smart modes like Waypoint, Orbit, and Follow Me, makes it ideal for cinematic shots and travel filming. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth video. Massive 75-minute total flight time. GPS smart flight modes. Strong long-range control. Cons: heavier than mini drones. A slight learning curve for beginners. An excellent choice for creators who want professional quality footage without paying premium prices. Number 3. Skyrover S1 Mini Drone. The S1 packs high-end specs into a mini drone, offering 4K 60fps video, 48MP photos, and 3-axis gimbal stabilization, all under 249 grams. This drone stands out with its 39,000-foot video transmission range and ultra-smooth footage. Auto track and intelligent flight modes make it great for action shots, and the image quality is surprisingly sharp for its size. Pros: 4K 60fps video and 48MP photos. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Extremely long transmission range. Lightweight and portable. Cons: advanced features may overwhelm beginners. A top-tier mini drone for enthusiasts who want maximum performance in a compact design. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight under 249 grams drone featuring a 4K EIS camera, brushless motors, and up to 62 minutes of total flight time. This drone is very stable and easy to control, making it perfect for beginners. The 4km FPV transmission is reliable, and safety features like auto return help reduce the risk of crashes. Pros: long 62-minute flight time, lightweight and flexible, smooth EIS video stabilization, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, limited advanced filming modes. One of the best beginner drones with long battery life and solid performance. Number 5. Pro Touchscreen Tablet Remote Drone, Upgraded Model. This upgraded Pro drone is packed with premium features, including a 4K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and an impressive 84 minutes of flight time. Designed for advanced users, this drone offers a 5-mile control range, high wind resistance, time-lapse shooting, and even 50x zoom. The built-in tablet controller provides a smooth and immersive flying experience. Pros: 3-axis gimbal plus obstacle avoidance, massive 84-minute flight time, 5-mile long-range control, payload release and rainproof design. Cons: larger and heavier, expensive compared to many drones. A feature-packed drone for professionals who want long-range, stability, and advanced shooting options. Thanks for watching. All the drones featured in this video are linked in the description below with the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future reviews. See you in the next video.